Stative verbs are an important part of English grammar. They describe states, feelings, and thoughts, not actions. In this lesson, you will learn what stative verbs are, when to use them, and why they are not used in continuous forms. By the end, you will understand how verbs like know, like, and want behave differently from action verbs. Stative verbs show a condition or state of mind rather than an action. They describe what someone feels, thinks, or possesses. For example, verbs like know, like believe, want, and need show emotions, thoughts, and preferences. They tell us about something that exists or continues, not something that happens or changes. Stative verbs can be grouped based on what they describe. Emotional verbs such as like, love, hate, and prefer express feelings. Thinking verbs like know, believe, remember, and understand describe mental states. Verbs showing possession such as have, own, belong, and possess express ownership or relationship. Each of these verbs represents a state, not an action. Stative verbs are not used in the continuous or ing form because they describe conditions that are permanent or stable. Continuous forms describe actions in progress, but a state does not progress. For example, you should say, I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer. You can say, she likes music, not she is liking music. The stative verbs stay in simple forms because the state remains true over time. Learners often use continuous forms incorrectly with stative verbs. Remember, you should say, I want a coffee, not I am wanting a coffee. Say, she believes you, not she is believing you. And they know the answer, not they are knowing the answer. These mistakes happen because students treat these states as actions. Keep in mind that stative verbs stay in the simple form. Some verbs can be both stative and dynamic depending on meaning. For example, in the sentence, I think he is right, think means believe and is stative. But I am thinking about the plan shows considering, which is an action. The verb taste can mean has a flavor, as in, this cake tastes great, or it can mean trying, as in, the chef is tasting the soup. Similarly, look can mean appear, as in, she looks tired, or mean watch, as in, she is looking at the painting. Verbs like know, understand, realize, and recognize express knowledge or awareness. Believe, doubt, think, and imagine are about opinions or judgments. Remember, forget, mean, and suppose relate to memory or mental recall. These verbs are always stative because they describe what happens inside the mind, not physical actions. Verbs of perception describe how we sense things through sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. For example, see, hear, notice, and recognize describe vision and hearing. Feel, taste, and smell describe touch or sensation. These verbs tell what is experienced and not what is being done, so they usually appear in simple rather than continuous forms. Verbs like have, own, belong, and possess show ownership or relationships. They express being rather than doing. Verbs like, love, hate, and prefer express preferences or feelings. These verbs are stative because they show what is true or felt, not what is happening right now. Let us review. Stative verbs describe a condition, feeling, or thought, not an action. They do not use the continuous form. For example, say, I know the answer, not I am knowing the answer. She loves her new phone, not she is loving her new phone. Notice how meaning changes in verbs like think or have depending on use. Practice choosing the correct forms to better understand when to use stative or dynamic meanings.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.